Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Geography. Today we come to with new topic urban and rural settlement. Let's see the questions. Which of the following town is situated on the bank of Indus River? The answer is Mohenjo-daro. Question number 2. The site of human settlement refers to. Options are location of human settlement in any area. Second, relationship between environment and human settlement. Third, situation of human settlement and near urban area. First option, the physical and cultural characteristics and attributes of a place. What will be the answer? Last one is the correct answer. Now question number 3. What is the big segment for defining urban and rural areas? Options are size of the population, second settlement pattern, third activity, and fourth income. The right answer is activity. So in the rural area, people engage with agriculture, which is included in primary activity, whereas in urban area, people engage with industry, trading, and other activity like tertiary activity, secondary activity, like that. Now question number 4. Rural house is an index of the. Options are modern architectural design, fashion and style, environment, and last, locally available material. What will be the correct answer? Think. Option C, environment, is the right answer. Now next question. As per Census of India, how many categories of towns are identified? Options are 3, 4, 5, 6. The right answer is 6. If you know the category name, 6 category name, you just write it in comment section. Please like, share and comment if you like this session. Now question number 6. Which one of the concept describe the absence of cities and towns within a radius of 75 km from a large city? The options are urban clusters, urban dispersals, urban agglomerations, and urban shadows. The right answer is urban shadows. Once you go through these 4 options definition, now we come to the next question. The concept of conurbation was given by. Options are Jean Gottman, second Homer White, third Patrick Geddes, and last C.D. Harris. What will be the correct answer? Think. The right answer is Patrick Geddes. Question number 8. The concept of megalopolis was given by. Options C.D. Harris, Patrick Geddes, Homer White, and Gottman. The right answer is Gottman. Memorize these two answers. One is megalopolis and another is conurbation. 9. In rural areas, the small town develop mainly for providing market facilities, educational facilities, health facilities, and administrative facilities. What will be the correct answer? The answer is administrative facilities. Other 3 facilities are also important, but here written mainly. That means administrative facilities. Next we move to question number 10. One of the important determinants urban land value is. One is climate, topography, accessibility, and historical factor. Here written urban land value. That means accessibility. Why accessibility? Because how many road networks are available there and what other facilities are there, how it is accessible, what other mode of transport are located over there. Today we come to the last part of our question answer session. So see the question number 11. Rural population are mainly engaged with. Options: industry, agriculture, transport, service. say the answer. I just give you one clue that rural population said rural people are always engaged with primary activity. So which one is the primary activity from given options? Think. The answer is agriculture. Say what are the other primary activity except agriculture? Mining, fishing, animal rearing are the examples. Now question number 12. Urban settlement in India support a minimum population of, options are 500%, 5000%, 5 lakh% and last one 50,000%. What will be the correct answer? 5,000 is the correct answer of urban population. See, urban settlement have three main criteria. One is a minimum population of 5,000 and second one, at least 75% of the male working population engage in non-agricultural activity, that means secondary activity or tertiary activity, and third one, a density of population at least 400% per square kilometer. These are the three criteria. One criteria already given in our question. Now we come to the last question of our question answer session. See the question. Big city along with their suburban towns are called. What will be the answer? Options are metropolis, polis, conurbation, urban sprawl. The answer is conurbation. So from here again you say, who given that concept of conurbation? That is P. Geddes. So today we done our question answer session. Hope you enjoy. Once again you subscribe, like and comment and share my channel. Okay, bye bye. Come soon with other lesson. Take care everyone.